Thank you to everyone who joined us for our Summerlin Walk pre-grand opening event. We're thrilled to announce that the Summerlin Walk model homes are now under construction, and we've already started selling Phase 2 home sites at this beautiful new Fresno community located at Armstrong and Clinton. Our curated designer packages at Summerlin Walk are a must-see. Choose from Gray is the New Cool with neutral gray tones, Take Me to the Beach with neutral warm colors, Classic Like Jackie O with timeless shades of gray hues, Venti Please featuring a classic warm look, and On the Farm with white and warm wood tones. Plus our 3 brand new packages, Modern Earth, which features olive gray and a warm wood look, Urban in the City, featuring shades of modern gray colors, and last but not least, Luxfidence with modern white hues. Over 200 people have already joined our VIP list and demand is high. For priority home site and floor plan selection, act quickly before it's too late. Our new home specialists are ready to help guide you on your journey to finding your dream home. Call 559-656-1980 to learn more today.